Elon Musk says Giga Berlin is gonna rock, and second train with concrete beams arrive at the construction site. Last Friday, after Tesla already published a story titled Tesla Giga Berlin's building structure is about to begin, Tesla CEO Elon Musk replied to the tweet writing, "Giga Berlin is gonna rock." Welcome back, dear subscribers and friends. We have some rich materials from our local friends from Grünheide in Germany about the status of Giga Berlin and its construction. Jurgen, Tobias and Albrecht have shared some good videos and unique images which you are about to see here. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to be notified when I upload our next Giga Berlin update, as this is a developing story. As Tesla has already started the building structure of its Giga Berlin electric car factory, it already keeps bringing pillars and beams for the building structure, to build the actual building of the factory. The first train with beams has been already unloaded, and the second train has arrived, which will be unloaded today. Our friend Jurgen took a close look at the second train with concrete cross beams and concrete beams. These will be unloaded on Monday, he says, and transported to Giga Berlin. For those of you who are interested, you will also see some close-ups of the concrete girders of Bögl company, which are used in the Giga Berlin. As you may already know from Torque News previous report, Bögl company is the construction contractor of building Tesla's Giga Berlin electric car plant. Currently, there are two fully loaded trains right now, pillars, beams and second floor elements. You will see latest pictures of Giga Berlin from east, from north with gravel store area in the center, as well as cranes with beams. In the northeast, you will see an area where beams and stakes are stored. There is also yet another foldable crane getting ready to work today. Indeed, friends, this is a very exciting time for Giga Berlin and Tesla. Stay tuned for more updates later today as our local friends send more materials related to this developing story about Tesla's first European Gigafactory building in Grünheide, Germany, outside of Berlin. And as you know, we're expecting the first Model Y electric crossover from Tesla to roll off this assembly in next year, sometimes next year, hopefully early next year. But also, like Business Insider had a report saying Tesla may be open for some type of business end of this year, because we're expecting the shell of the Giga Berlin's first structure to be ready by September, because things are going so fast right now. Okay, friends, we'll continue looking at these pictures because these are very unique and nice pictures, and let me know what you think about the progress of Giga Berlin. And this is, I think, really exciting that beams are coming, and we're going to see this week some structures already rising. And please subscribe to our channel, because thanks to our local friends, we're going to bring you those images and those videos for you to see. And I'll see you in our next report. So please keep looking at these images. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell so you don't miss these updates. And in the meantime, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in our next report.